Hey everyone, welcome to day 32, how to improve a communication skill with an English work. The first one, today I learned of my life how to build a consistency daily base. Why? Because I lots of efforts in your my life. For example, I make a class note in 9th class board student, 10th class board student, and 11th 12th science student. But at the time, I'm not a properly focused for my content. At the time, I relax for my mind 3 to 4 time deep breathe, and after I am 100% focus for my content create. Why? Because the unaccepted reason for you are not a properly content you think it, and you are not a properly explained in a notebook. That is the reality. But today, day 32 of make a video with eye contact, body language is the importance of your my life. Why? Because this is my as a physically and mentally difference day by day. Only for one person change daily base, and that is the result for you. So D32 and life learning lesson, that is the wait and watch. Why I must say that sentence wait and watch? Why? Because my best friend are to suggestion for different types of a lesson in your life as an education related. But I selected only for one part of the speech as well lesson, wait and watch, and that is the build a result. But you are not a recommendation fulfill in a self growth. You are deserve. You are the catch up your aura, and that is the reality of the speak in English language. I speak in English language not properly, but one day, only for one day, I build myself a new level. Important of your my life. First priority, I start after decide a result in the right direction. I'm daily base upload a English vlog. Daily base 5 to 6 read a English page, and 1.5 hours listening a English story, and that is the properly